Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to week 2 of online learning. I want to say thank you to everyone who turned in work last week. You guys did a great job getting those assignments submitted. If you did not submit work last week, all the assignments are still open. You can still get that stuff turned in. So this week we're going to be focusing on elections and voting. So when you open up the folder for this week, you're going to see our learning targets and success criteria and our to-do list. So let's take a look at that. So today your assignment is One Big Party. Tomorrow your assignment is Got Ballot. Wednesday your assignment is the Voting Matters assignment. And then Thursday you have a online assignment called I Side With. All right, so let's go back to our folder. So all of these except for I Side With are PDFs. The first one, the One Big Party, that is a fillable PDF, so that means that you can download it to your computer and type in your answers. If you do that, make sure that you open it with Adobe Reader and that you save it to your computer before you resubmit it to Schoology. We were having some problems in another one of my classes with the PDFs being blank when they were submitted. So just make sure that you're downloading the PDF and that you are not using Microsoft Edge, because Microsoft Edge will not save your answers. Got Ballot and Voting Matters. These are not fillable PDFs. So for these two, if you are able, please download and print the assignment, fill it out, and then send me a picture. You can either scan it with your phone or take a picture and submit the picture. If that doesn't work, you can create a Word document and type in your answers to the Word document and submit that. And if worse comes to worse, you can't do either of those, you can write your answers down on a sheet of paper and send me the picture. All right, and then the last one, I Side With, you're going to take a survey online about the 2020 presidential candidates, and then there is a worksheet to complete with your answers. All right. Quick reminder, if you have any questions about service learning, we do have a discussion board here on the first page. You can leave me your questions. If you don't want to put it on the discussion board, you can just send me an email or a message on Remind or on Schoology. I don't know if you guys know, but up here on the messenger, you can just send me a direct message and it'll pop up for me to check and I'll get back to you. Don't forget I have office hours from 9 to 11 each day. So if you have questions while you're working, you can email or send me a text on Remind or by phone. Remind is probably going to be your easiest method of communication, because my son, who is in kindergarten, he is starting his work today as well, so we're going to be sharing the computer for a little bit. But again, thank you very much for doing your work and getting it turned in. I really appreciate it. All right. Have a great Monday, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.